Okay.
Grandpa's
Okay.
watching.
Okay.
Watch. Let's get a forehand. Okay, you're gonna throw it. Okay, get the racket back up. Now hit that forehand. Oh, yeah, nice shot.
Good job.
Wow.
Okay, do another one.
You already got a semi-western grip going. Let's see it. Again. Go for it, bud. Whoa. You kept it up
Okay,
there for
hit
a
the
while.
ball.
Now
Hit the ball.
swing. Nice. He's like, this is easy, huh?
One more time.
Oh, watch out. Don't want to hit me.
One more
hang
time.
Hang on. Ready?
Oh! Perfect.
Alright, now, Isaac, you ready? You're going to run up and hit. Go! Run up and hit. Run up, now hit. Wow! Running forehand. Your arm? You okay?